Hey everyone, so we are here to start this course. First of all, I should say some stuff because I'm already assuming that you already have Angular running your computer. In order to run Angular, you need to make a basic setup. You need to install the CLI, which is not that hard. You can find this on Google. Maybe in the future I may attach a file teaching how to do that. But that's very easy. You just look for how to install. You can do something like this. You can do like this. Install Angular CLI. Then you just have to find one of this tutorial. But as you see, even if you go to YouTube, because it's very easy. I mean, it's not that hard. So I'm not going to. I'm not going to. As you see, how to install Angular CLI. Understand? It's very easy. It's not that hard. So I'm going to leave it. Maybe in the future I can attach a video, but it's not that hard. So I'm using Visual Studio Code, which is a kind of Microsoft. If you wanna look for, you can look Visual Studio Code. As you can see, that's what I'm using. Regarding install Angular, all the time I'm teaching my students how to use ChatGPT. Can use like this: how to install Angular from zero. So it's going to give you the answer. To install Angular, you have to install Node. So install Node is correct. You can verify if Node, for example, in my specific case, npm install CLI, ng version, ng new. That part here I'm going to, that perfect, ChatGPT, I'm going to attach that. I'm going to, I don't know what's that, that's new. Anyway, it's all correct, Angular. If you want to test mine, I can do it for you guys, so you can be familiar how it works. So that's mine. As you can see, I have a, let me do one more time. Node. I have to see my Node version. Let me see. Sorry. I want to show you guys in goes. As you see, my Node version is, so you need to install Node as ChatGPT is telling to do. I'm going to attach that file from ChatGPT, with totally correct. Then you need to install npm, as you can see, it's correct. As you can see, so to install, you have to do this first step here that you did, just to check if you have everything set up. If you don't have Node, you have to install. If you don't have npm, you have to install. Then ChatGPT is giving you the step-by-step here how to install. Verify that Node npm installation. Mine is okay. Then you do this npm install. Then you just have to verify the version of Angular. Now you are verifying the version. So the version of the Angular, so the version is, as you see, CLI is correct, the version as seen. So in my case, I think it's just fine. I'm going to attach. Here he's teaching how to create the first app, which is totally correct. New, I have already done that because it takes a little bit of time. So since it takes a little bit of time, I have decided not to do it here because it takes a little bit of time. So I have decided to leave it. I have just to do it before I start the video. Then you just have to move it inside the folder. You have to create the folder. Then you give ng new. Now ng serve. In my case, I have done that. You have to go to this link here, localhost which is this one here, as you see localhost. So that's the basic how to install MATLAB, to install Angular in your computer.